Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Excellence 360. These tutorials are based on non-Mudalvan skill development program. I hope you all are learning and enjoying through my videos. This video demonstrates how to model workers carrying parts between stations. To do so, we will create a production line. With the source, 2 stations and a drain. Then we click the toolbar Resources and insert the objects which the worker requires to do his job, namely the workplaces associated with the individual stations on which he works. The worker pool is from which he walks to the workplaces and where he stays when he is not working. The broker is who assigns the services which the station requests and which the worker executes. The worker process is the part of the station, picks up the process part and carries it to the station 1. Then he processes the parts at station 1. We open the station and click to the tab Importer. We select Active to activate the use of services. We then need to tell the station that the workers need to carry the parts away. To do so, we will click the tab Exit. In Strategy, we select Carry Parts Away and click Apply. This shows additional dialog items for the strategy. We select the MU target, which is the workplace to which the workers carries the parts. We also activate the importer for station 1. We will click Reset and Single Step Simulation. We see that the worker pool now hold one worker, providing the standard services. We then reset and start the simulation again and watch how the worker processes the part at the station and carries them from station to station. The worker uses workplace 1 to process the part at the station and to pick the part up, to place the part and process the part at station 1. We want to modify the model so that the worker processes the part at workplace, pick the part up at workplace 1, carries the part to workplace 2 and process the part at workplace 3. To do so, we define 2 different services, one for processing the part and one for carrying it away. Double-click the station to open its dialog. On Tap Importer, switch off the inheritance of services by clicking the green button next to Services. Open the table services by clicking the button Services. We place standard services by Process and click OK. On the tab Exit, open the table with the services are defined. Now we enter Carry instead of standard services and click OK. Click OK to close the dialog of station. Now open the dialog of station 1 and click the tab Importer. We again switch off inheritance of services and enter process as the service. Next, we have to assign the support service for the workplaces. Double-click the workplace to open its dialog. Switch off inheritance of supportive services. Open the table and enter Process. Now the worker has to use this workplace for supporting the services process. Close the table by clicking OK and close the dialog by clicking OK. We repeat this for workplace 1, but now we enter Carry as supportive service. For workplace 2, we also enter Carry as supportive service. Double-click the icon of Worker Pool to open its dialog. Switch off the inheritance of the creation table and open the creation table. In the table which opens, we add the services, process, and carry. Press OK to close the table and press OK to close the dialog. Reset and start the simulation. Now the worker uses the workplaces as we wanted them to use. To gain the perfection, keep practicing and experimenting with different values. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.